Have you ever noticed how the sound of rain or birds singing can make you feel instantly calmer? Here's why. Our brains evolved in natural environments, so gentle sounds like flowing water, rustling leaves, or chirping birds signal safety. Unlike loud or sudden noises, which can mean danger, nature sounds are predictable and soft. This lets your mind relax. Plus, these sounds can help mask distracting noises, making it easier to focus or unwind. So when you listen to nature sounds, your brain gets the message. It's safe to chill out.